Hi, Nick from LRM. We're the manufacturers of the VerseEseal range of waterproofing products. We're out on site today in Yatala at major training, helping them with a 75 square metre roof that they've been having some water leaking problems with. So let's go and see how it's done. Over the last few weeks, there's been a lot of water coming down in Queensland, and it's been coming through this roof. It's been causing some serious damage inside, so the client really needed to get that fixed up as quickly as possible. The first step in the process is to get the substrate clean. Second step in the process is to clean off all that old failed sealant. Takes a bit of work, but it's absolutely worth doing. So the next step in the process is to get the VerseEseal membrane onto the roof. We're going to put a coat on there with a brush about 1 millimetre thick. We're going to lay in the geofabric into that wet product, and then another coat of the VerseEseal membrane straight over the top. Gives us that beautiful wet on wet sandwich with a reinforcing through the middle. We're going to let that dry for about 4 hours, and then we're going to come back and give it an additional coat over the whole roof to bring that structure together. So now that membrane's dried for 4 hours, we're going to come back and give it an additional coat of the VerseEseal membrane. So now the second coat of the VerseEseal membrane's dry, we're going to put our top coat on there. The top coat is designed to give really good heat reflection out of the building. We typically find 15 to 20 degrees cooler surface temperature on the roof is achieved. Now that doesn't mean your building internals is that much cooler. The insulation of the building is different in every case. So now you've seen how easy the VerseEseal membrane system is to use. If you have a leaking roof and you need some help or you'd like some information, please get in contact.